AI has come a long way, evolving from simple automation to advanced systems that can create art, write stories, and even hold conversations. But does this mean AI is catching up to human intelligence? Can it truly replace us, or are humans still leading the way? Let's dive into the comparison and see what the future might hold. AI is incredibly fast at processing data. It can analyze massive amounts of information in seconds, making calculations and predictions with remarkable accuracy. But while AI is great at following patterns and learning from data, humans think beyond the numbers. We imagine, create, and innovate. AI struggles with original thought, something that defines human intelligence. In the workplace, AI is transforming industries by automating repetitive tasks, improving efficiency, and even assisting in creative fields. However, while AI can handle routine jobs, it lacks emotional intelligence. Humans excel at leadership, decision-making, and interpersonal skills. Jobs that require empathy, communication, and creativity still belong to us. Instead of replacing humans, AI is more likely to become a powerful tool that enhances our work rather than eliminating it. When it comes to learning, AI recognizes patterns and improves based on past data. The more information it has, the smarter it gets. But humans learn in a very different way. We adapt to new situations, solve unexpected problems, and rely on intuition when there's no clear answer. AI struggles when faced with something completely new, while humans can adjust quickly and think critically. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can mimic conversations, but they don't actually feel emotions. They recognize tone and respond accordingly, but they don't experience happiness, sadness, or empathy the way humans do. Human relationships are built on real emotional connections, something AI will never truly replace. AI is an incredible tool, fast, efficient, and constantly improving. But humans bring creativity, adaptability, and emotions that AI can't replicate. The future isn't about AI versus humans, it's about AI and humans working together. AI can make life easier, enhance our abilities, and push us forward, but it will always need human guidance. What do you think? Will AI ever fully replace humans, or will we always stay ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI content.